Lamar Tower, United 2014, coming up again.
Tower, we're staying with you. FedEx 3609.
FedEx 3609, go ahead.
FedEx 3609 just hit a bird. We're declaring emergency, returning to the airfield.
FedEx 3609, Reg, contact departure 2855. I'll let them know. Jazz 872, cancel landing clearance. Turn left and climb.
Turn left and climb, Jazz 872.
Spirit 341 needs to get off the runway.
FedEx, I'm sorry, Spirit 341, make 2 left turns off the runway. Yeah, Mike? I'm sorry, right turn Mike, right turn Papa Short of Whiskey.
Mike, Papa Short, Spirit 341.
Jazz 872, fly heading 220, maintain 3000.
Heading 220, 3000, Jazz 872.
Tower, FedEx 3609, yeah, we're right engine shut down for possible purge strike. We need to return back to the airport.
FedEx 3609, have you called departure on 2855?
We'll switch to them, then we'll be back in a minute.
Newark Tower, Spare Wings 210 on the stadium visual 29.
United 2014, cancel landing clearance, fly southbound 220, flight 220, and climb and maintain 3000.
Heading 220, climb, maintain 3000, cancel landing clearance, United 2014.
Tower, Spare Wings 341, we believe we saw their engine fall off the right wing.
FedEx, I'm sorry, Spare Wings 210, Newark Tower, you on?
Yeah, we checked in on stadium visual 29.
Spare Wings 210, cancel your landing, I'm sorry, cancel your approach clearance, turn right heading 290, climb and maintain 3000.
290 up to 3000, Spare Wings 210.
Jazz 872, contact departure 12855.
12855, Jazz 872.
Yeah, 2014, contact departure 12855.
12855, good day, United 2014.
Spare Wings 210, expedite your climb to 3000, please.
We're expediting Spare Wings 210.
Spare Wings 210, contact departure 12855.
12855, Spare Wings 210.
And you're at 785 and Spirit 341, you might as well shut down. We might be a couple minutes.
Spirit 341.
Tower, car 99.
Car 99 Tower.
99 pulling short of 22 left at 4, need to do an inspection.
Car 99, proceed onto runway 22 left. The subject aircraft is on the 10-mile final.
99 22 left from Papa.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, fly heading 180 if able, give me the souls on board.
Hey, 180 heading, 3 souls on board and plenty of fuel, and FedEx 3609 heading is 180.
And car 99, I'm pretty sure he hit it on the ascent, not on the runway.
Alright, copy that, thanks.
Yeah, he was about 400 feet, and then something came off the engine, probably about 500-600 feet, fell to the ground.
Yeah, I think he had a bird strike. He lost the right engine.
Tower, FedEx 3609, emergency, still indicating right engine fire, 22 left.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, Newark Tower, continue inbound, vehicle on the runway.
Okay, we'll be stopping on the runway, FedEx 3609 Heavy.
Tower, 99's off 22 left, nothing found.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, clear to land runway 22 left, wind 2205, will you be evacuating? FedEx 3609, no visible fire, it appears no visible fire or smoke coming from the right engine.
Copy, copy, still stopping on the runway, FedEx 3609 Heavy.
No, FedEx 3609, roger. FedEx 3609 Heavy, disregard my last. It does appear you're the right engine is emitting fire. FedEx 3609 Heavy, you copy my last?
Stand by. All right, go ahead. 3609 Heavy.
3609, it does appear that there is smoke and fire from the right engine now.
Copy. FedEx 3609 Heavy, stopping on the runway.
Roger.
Tower 22 left is closed.
Roger, 22 left closed.
FedEx 3609, parking brake set. We're running checklist, listening on frequency.
And Tower, is the fire chief on the radio here?
Yes, sir, he's listening. All we see is smoke coming from the affected area now.
Okay, fire chief, this is FedEx 3609.
FedEx from rescue. Did you blow bottles?
Yes, we blew both bottles on the right engine, and we had a fire indication all the way down until landing.
That's affirmative, you still do. We're going to put some water on it.
Okay, would you recommend that we get out, or?
Tower, this is FedEx 3609. Great work, guys.
Thank you. You guys okay?
Right now, we're standing by. We struck the birds, starting that left turn, just passing 500 feet, so probably about 800 feet is when the birds took out the right engine.
Okay, Roger. Thank you.